Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for some kitchen deep cleaning. I'm still going strong, working on knocking out all of my spring cleaning for 2022, and I'm going to tackle this kitchen today and literally scrub it top to bottom. So I'm starting by making a cleaning solution with very hot water, dish soap, vinegar, and grabbing a microfiber towel, because I am going to be scrubbing down all of my upper cabinets first. This year, it has just made the most sense to me to work room by room and also work top to bottom, making sure that I get every nook and cranny and cleaning absolutely everything in the house. I did start a couple of weeks ago on our playroom/family room, and I just decided to work back to front as far as the layout of our home. Now, I did share that video already, so if you haven't seen my part 1 spring clean with me, definitely go check it out. That has some very satisfying deep cleaning in it. But today we are working on my kitchen, and actually I wasn't even planning on doing any spring cleaning on this day, but my EveryPlate order was delivered, and when I went to put it away, I realized that my fridge was kind of nasty. It was super gross, needed to be wiped down and also reorganized. I'll get to that in a second, but first let me tell you a little bit about EveryPlate. EveryPlate provides you with meals that you'll enjoy and your bank account will love, delivered right to your door. As America's #1 best value meal kit, EveryPlate is a much cheaper alternative to fast casual dining, making home cooking easy and affordable. The recipes are chef designed, include pre-measured ingredients to cut down your prep time, have recipe cards that feature 6 simple, easy to follow steps for a stress-free cooking experience, and are ready to serve in about 30 minutes. You can choose between 17 recipes that change each week, swap proteins, veggies, and sides to your liking, and even double up on servings of your favorite meals. You can try EveryPlate for just $1.79 per meal in your first box, plus an additional 20% off your next 2 boxes when you click the link in my description box and use code LLAM9. I'll have that link and code listed in my description box for you to try EveryPlate for just $1.79 per meal. Thanks so much to EveryPlate for sharing this amazing offer with my subscribers and for sponsoring today's video. But now let's start cleaning out this refrigerator so that I can give it a good, thorough, deep cleaning.
I've got this feeling, I'm feeling you could be the one. I see no reason why I should ever let you go. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up, no, I don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without you. I wouldn't know what to, baby, without you. I wouldn't know what to, oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. I wouldn't know what to do. I wouldn't know what to do.
I'm using my Method Anti-Bac Spray to spray all of the shelves and the drawers in the refrigerator, and I'm gonna let this sit for about 10 minutes so that it can completely disinfect. And while that is sitting, I'm just going to throw some dishes in the dishwasher and then also scrub out all of those food organization bins that I keep inside of my refrigerator. Now, I do try to wipe these down as well as all of the shelves every time that I go grocery shopping, or about twice a month, but I don't always completely scrub them like I am here. So I pulled out my Dawn Power Wash and I'm going to spray them all very liberally and scrub them out really well to make sure that they are completely cleaned and degreased and that they are ready to be restocked with food and go back into the refrigerator as soon as everything is all clean.
Baby, without I wouldn't know what to, baby, without you. I wouldn't know what to, oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. I wouldn't know what to do. I wouldn't know what to do. Baby, without Tell me what you wanna do. I think we're part of something bigger, and now my mind is filled with you. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Baby, without I wouldn't know what to.
I decided to unbox my Every Plate order with you on camera just so that you could see exactly what to expect from your Every Plate delivery. So when I first opened the box, I had my 3 recipe cards on the very top, outside of the rest of the packaging, which kept them nice and dry. And I have to say, all 3 of these recipes were chef's kiss. If I see them on the rotation again, I will be ordering them. But underneath of that is some insulated packaging, a box of produce, 2 very large ice packs, and all of my meat or protein options. And those ice packs were still completely frozen solid when I had unboxed this, and it was about 5 hours after it had been delivered on my doorstep at this time, so it was definitely doing its job, keeping everything at the appropriate temperature and making sure that it was all safely packaged. But I just sorted through my box to make sure that none of the produce had been left out, everything was there, and then I'm going to sort everything into my refrigerator the way that I like it. Now this is a little bit different than other meal kit deliveries that I've tried in the past. Typically, I have experienced them coming with all of the ingredients pre-packaged in these brown paper bags, and you just pull one bag out per recipe. But I have to say, I much prefer the way that Every Plate has packaged and delivered my produce especially. I do find that certain produce items kind of harm each other when they are not stored properly and can quicken the process of the produce going bad. So I really appreciated Every Plate's packaging and that I was able to properly store all of my meats, produce, and ingredients to keep them fresh all week long and eliminate even the possibility of any kind of food waste. So once again, if you are wanting to try out Every Plate for just $1.79 per meal, I do have a link and a discount code down in my description box. If you use that link, you can try out Every Plate for just $1.79 per meal, plus an additional 20% off your next 2 boxes.
You don't forget your first love. We were young and wild, we were up all night. You don't forget that summer sun 2009. We were feeling high, and I got drunk for the first time. I thought I was cool. I thought I looked smooth in your eyes and tried to make a move. It was summertime, the time of our lives. You were on my mind, my ride or die. It was summertime, the time of our lives. You were on my mind, my ride or die. Yeah. You were on my mind, my ride or die. Yeah. You were on my mind, my ride or die. Don't forget your first kiss. We were so damn high, we could touch the sky. Drunk on love, drunk on your lips. The feeling I will forever miss. And I got drunk for the first time. I thought I was cool. I thought I looked smooth in your eyes and tried to make a move. It was summertime, the time of our lives.
When I went to clean out the inside of my oven, I honestly debated on if I should do it on camera or not because it's pretty nasty in here, so please no judgment, but this is just real life. There's lots of burnt on messes and grease spatter, and you know I like to keep it real here on my channel, so anyway, it was looking a hot mess on the inside of this thing, and I do have a self-cleaning feature on my oven, but I hate using it because it smells really bad and gives me anxiety. I feel like the oven is just going to start a fire because of how bad that smell is. so I thought this time I might try cleaning it out first. I wiped it out with a paper towel first just to get all of the big burnt debris that came out easily, and then I went in with my Scrub Daddy Power Paste, I think it's called. This is a new cleaning product that I discovered a couple of weeks ago, and I love it. It is so effective. It's also a natural, non-toxic cleaner, and it has worked well on every area I've tried it so far, so I figured why not try it inside of the oven. And it did a pretty decent job considering the last time I cleaned the oven was probably 6 to 8 months ago. So it did really well at completely degreasing it and getting most of the burnt on food unstuck. I did this on the inside of the oven and also on the oven door, and then once I had scrubbed it as much as I possibly could, I wiped it out to make sure there was no cleaning residue left, and then that's when I turned on the self-clean feature. And I have to say, I will do it this way every time now. I did not experience that smell or that anxiety after first wiping things out as best as I could, and when it was done with that self-cleaning, the oven looked almost brand new. I was very impressed at how clean this came out. Definitely the cleanest of any time that I have ever tried cleaning my oven, and I think that this is now a tried and true method, and this is the process that I will use every time in the future. And once I had the inside of the oven completely cleaned, I'm also going to wipe down and polish the entire outside so it's nice and shiny and sparkling.
Was indeed happy, now you're telling me it's over. Oh my, I wonder what's next, you know we're getting older. Oh my, when all we do is trying, it only makes us stronger. Oh my, dreams aren't meant to be broken.
I also wanted to completely clear off my countertops so that I could scrub them down really well. I do wipe them every single day with a multi-surface spray and microfiber cleaning cloth, but as far as completely clearing them and really scrubbing them, it does not happen nearly as often as it should. So I'm just going to go over them once with that Scrub Daddy Power Paste and get off all of the stuck-on messes, any grease that might be lingering, and also try and remove a few of the stains that are there. I know it's hard to see it in the camera because of the lighting and also how far away it is, but the countertops are pretty stained. I chalk painted them, I think a year and a half ago now, and they held up really well for about 6 months and then not so much after that. So we are going to replace them very soon. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to film that whole process for YouTube or if I'm just going to hire it out and get it done, but we plan to do all of the countertops and cabinets and do a full kitchen renovation. So right now I'm not too worried about making it absolutely perfect. I just wanted to scrub it with that power paste and then go back over it with a multi-surface spray to make sure there was no cleaning residue left behind. And then I'm going to make another little concoction of that hot water, dish soap, and vinegar and scrub down all of my lower cabinets on the outsides and insides just to make sure that they are matching the uppers.
Just let me know. twice. Roll the dice, roll the dice, roll the dice. You don't live twice. Roll the dice.
Want to keep it nice and clean, not freak out and cause a scene. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Not sure who I really am, just be cute and super bland. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high? 'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on, baby, put the record on, hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on, I'm not gonna need that.
By the time that I was finished cleaning, it was dinner time, so I pulled out this sweet chili chicken recipe from my Every Plate delivery, and on the front it showed me all of the ingredients that I would need, and then on the back of the card were the step-by-step instructions, and for this recipe, there were literally only 5 steps. I thought that was so crazy. It made preparing dinner so quick and easy, and it was delicious. You will see how it turns out in the end. But I just gathered all of my ingredients together and then worked on following all of those step-by-step instructions to get dinner prepared in about 25 minutes.
Been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high? 'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on, baby, put the record on, hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on, I'm not gonna need that song, hit it. Come with me. I'm gonna get this party lit. Come with me. Let's do something we'll regret.
Come with me. I'm gonna get this party lit. Come with me. Let's do something we'll regret.
'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on, baby, put the record on, hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on, I'm not gonna need.
This is how dinner turned out, and it tasted even better than it looks, if you can believe it. This recipe was definitely a keeper. It fed my entire family. Both of my girls finished their whole plates, which is basically unheard of in this household. And we even ended up with 1 full serving of leftovers, which we were so grateful for, and we will store in the fridge for another night. But if you are wanting to try out Every Plate for yourself, you can use that link and code in my description box to get your first box for only $179 per meal, and then an additional 20% off on your next 2 boxes. Once again, thank you so much to Every Plate for sponsoring today's video. Thank you guys for choosing to spend your time with me today, and I will see you in the next one.